We're going to formalize the agreement with the PNP and the AFP. So, ang mangyayari is multiple teams na. Actually, nag-i-inspect na ang PNP, AFP, mag-report na ako ngayon sa ICI about the results of their inspections. Roughly mga 8,000. Hindi, 8,000 na ang physically inspected.
No way. Pero kadalas?
Oo. Since ano pa to eh? Since nung nag-start pa kami. So nagpadala na ng report. Kaya nandito si Undersecretary Bisnar. I-report namin ngayon. And meron na rin physical validation ng mga sites.
So dun sa 8,000, ano yung significant findings? Pero merong percentage
muna masasabi.
ng ghost?
Hindi ko muna masasabi. I'll have to report to the ICI.
Pero nakita yung lahat ng 8,000?
Pero this is AFP, PNP, pati NEDA. Okay. So these are three agencies that have inspected. We just got the reports last week. No? And then,
may actual na na-inspect, sir, o baka may ghost doon sa...
Actual. Meron siya. May ghost. May 8,000. Well, that is small compared to the universe of projects.
Pero ilan ba yung target, sir, na ma-inspect? I mean,
2016. Yun ang pag-uusapan namin yan. Kasi napakadami talaga. Pero ano lang to, kasi kami naman, ang PNP, AFPs, nakakalat naman sila all over the country. So, hindi naman talaga ganun kahirap na. Kasi, ano yan?
So
per area yan.
I'm trying just to picture lang. Yung 8,000 na yun, may heavy concentration ba yan with regard to maybe province or...
Yun ang pag-uusapan namin.
Kumbaga, this is 8,000 majority of which belongs to...
Yun ang pag-uusapan namin. So I can't give you details na to present it to ICI first.
But definitely the inspections will continue and should go on.
Of course. Yes.
And that 8,000 sir across the country?
Yes.
From
nationwide. Yes, everywhere. Kasi hindi naman mahirap yon for AFP and PNP kasi nandun sila. Kaya nga ang naging strategy ni Yusek Bisnar is to really tap the AFP. But of course, DPWH needs to also get involved. Kaya of course, there are trust issues in DPWH. So
trust issues because
there are trust issues sa DPWH.
Trust issues.
So, siyempre, we have to look for independent validators.